Stress is an essential feature of word identity in English. Every English word has definite place for the stress, and we are not allowed to change it. If we stress the wrong syllable, it spoils the shape of the word, and the English hearer may have difficulty in recognizing the word. In Chinese, the stress is not significant as that in English because of the fourth tones. It makes stress in Chinese not so prominent. Although stress in both English and Chinese shares the similar features, such as higher in pitch and greater in intensity and length, it has different functions in English and Chinese. Stress in English can differentiate the meaning of words, while in Chinese, it cannot. In Chinese, it is the tone that contrasts the meaning of words. According to the research in the article that I found, Chinese students can basically well produce with double stress pattern, such as louder speaker, old-fashioned, and hardworking. However, errors in stressing for those that are not double stress amount to a very high percentage. Chinese students are likely to use the weak-strong pattern instead of the strong-weak in English. When asked Chinese learners of English to mark stress, many of them often put recorder player for recorder player, sports ground for sports ground, and language teacher for language teacher. According to another research, there are some 30,000 dissyllabic words, including compounds, in a large modern Chinese dictionary, and about 2,000 are stressed on the first syllable. In other words, in more than 80% of dissyllabic words, the final syllable is heavier than the first syllable. Chinese students are likely to use the weak-strong pattern instead of the strong-weak in English because they are influenced by the stress pattern of Chinese compounds. So, I'm going to introduce an app to improve the stress error among Chinese students. It is called English Pronunciation Otterwave. First, enter to the first page and choose Speak. Now you can see there are different kinds of categories. Choose one that you want. Second, you will see a sentence above and choose Play to listen to the demonstration. Third, record your own voice. How may I be of your assistance? Then you will be scored by the app. Green means good, while others represent that you need to practice more. You can tell your weakness or differences based on the graph and adjust them. Hope that this video is helpful for English learners.